Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Introducing the MAKITA DCL286FZ vacuum cleaner. This cordless powerhouse features an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, giving you the ultimate freedom to clean without any cords getting in your way. With a maximum suction capacity of 180 mbar, no mess stands a chance. The ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort during use, while the innovative cyclone system and high-performance filter tackle dirt and dust like a pro. Need to reach those tight spots? The included crevice nozzle and pipe tool holder make it a breeze. Lightweight and compact, the MAKITA DCL286FZ is perfect for both professional and personal use. Say goodbye to restrictions and hello to effortless cleaning. Grab yours today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.